Waking up with the sunrise, a golden sky so bright. Breathing in the morning air, feeling life ignite. Barefoot in the meadows where the wildflowers grow. Living free and easy, letting all my worries go. Off the land, living free, feeling nature's hand on me. Every day a new surprise, under these wide open skies. Take the time to smell the flowers, watch the sunsets, count the hours. In the arms of nature's bliss, it's a simple life like this. Skipping stones on quiet streams where time just seems to fade. In the whisper of the